Attention, 100% ingenious, free online training for internet entrepreneurs and ebook authors. Pascal and Jens, from the Sales Angels, not only show you how you can get advertising from Amazon, almost absolutely free of charge, so that you can finally collect thousands of new customers, but the boys also show you how you can use each of your keywords on the page in record time. Number 1 found on Google. Advantage 1. Immediately extremely fast results, with very little effort. Advantage 2. Great time savings through viral marketing. Advantage 3. 100% no technical knowledge required. Advantage 4. You get such a simple and easy guide that you can understand even if you have not been able to fill out a shopping list without outside help. So, what are you waiting for? Registration for online training is only free for a short time. Log in here. I wish you success. JJ.